The explore bears of the world. See what it says. Select a bear to discover more. Oh, you know, you could do this first and then you'd know everything about where. So this will tell you everything about the sun bear. Oh my gosh. You can go through all of these, like what it eats. Pictures and selfies of it. Guess weight. Smallest on average of the 8 bear species.
100 pounds.
Wonder if it's gonna tell. Here you go. Yep, 160 to 150 pounds. And then that's how you can help them. And that's where it lives. See, these are throughout southeastern Asia, and that's where these bears live. Select another bear. Okay, so
this one.
Polar bear. Let's learn about the polar bear. Okay. There's the name. You want to see pictures?
So cute. So cute.
Okay, now let's see. Cool or gross? It says the fur is actually transparent.
Papa, it's up
They
there.
appear like. Oh, it's coming down?
It's right there. On the tree.
He's on the tree. Can you guess the weight? Okay, so
60, 50 billion pounds.
no, that's bigger, so it's going to be bigger than 150 pounds. So larger than 200 pounds? Here, click question mark. Let's see what it says. 770 to 1,500 pounds. Holy crap. Okay, where do they live? They live in the Arctic Sea ice of North America.
What do they eat?
What do they eat? Anything they can catch in the Arctic Ocean.
Have we done this one?
Nope. How can you help them?
Did we do this one?
Yep. Where do you live? We did it. And you can do that for all the 8 different species of bears. Let's look one more. The panda. Let's see. That's the name. That's how you pronounce the panda. The
After
name.
this one, can we do one more because this is fun?
Okay. You can go through and look at all these different pictures on the bottom in the video. Okay. And then cool or gross. Let's see what that is. Do not know yet why giant pandas developed distinctive black and white coats. They don't know why they do. Thought it was camouflage. Okay, weight. How much do you think a giant panda weighs?
A billion.
A billion. Oh, that's small. That's not bad. 190 to 275 pounds. Their omnivore diet. 28 pounds of bamboo a day. Holy crap.
Have we done this one?
We haven't done, let's do this one so we don't lose track. They come from central China where bamboo is forests and can climb elevations up to 13,000 feet.
Can you do one more? Just one more.
Hold on. We did what's for dinner. How can you help? This tells how you can help the pandas. There's a Pandas International and the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Okay, let's go select one more bear. What bear do you want to check out? You've done that one, and that one.
I see black bear.
Okay, we know that. That's going to be the Rocky Mountains. So that's the name. That's the name of it.
To the cabin. Okay, no. Wait, is that all the way to the cabin?
Yeah, these are the type of bears that are at the cabin in the Rocky Mountains. Okay, now what's cool or gross? Let's see what it says. People associate bears hibernation. Scientists believe most bears do not reach the deep state of hibernation. Won't eat. An American black bear won't eat or release body waste during its state.
What does he eat?
Let's see what he eats. What's for dinner? Oh, grasses, berries, roots, garbage cans and campsites. So they eat human food as well as grasses, berries, roots, fish, bugs. Okay, let's see. Let's do these in order. Okay, wait. You've seen one of these live, so how much you think that thing weighs? 250 to 500 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay. 150 to 300.
Wait, have you done this
Oh,
one?
wait a sec. Go back.
Sorry.
It says larger individuals can be 500 to 600 pounds. Okay. Where do they live? Canada, North America. There's the Rocky Mountains. Look, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yep. And then how can you help? Here in Tennessee, black bear populations are carefully monitored and protected. Don't feed the bears. That's the biggest thing. Don't feed the bears.
Okay, can we just finish this? This is really fun.
Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more you haven't looked at. So
Look at this.
let's go for the brown bear. We're going to learn about brown bears. Okay, so that's the name of the brown bear, the proper name. Some information on the brown bear. Oh, check out the selfies.
All for kids. Some others.
Yeah. See some other pictures.
That's penguin.
Ooh, look at the claws on that. Okay, X. Now, the next one would be cool or gross. Brown bears spend a lot of time day foraging. They have to eat around 90 pounds of food to prepare for hibernation. They can eat 40,000 moths in one day. Goodness, look at the big moths. All right, can you guess weight? Okay, it looks pretty big. It's probably close to the American black bear. What do you think? Think it's the 150 to 200 with the 5 to 600 on the... Oh my goodness. On average, 480 pounds. Largers can be 1,300. So it's bigger and heavier than the American black bear. Where do they live? Oh wow. These live in upper part of North America, Asia, a lot in Asia. What's for dinner? Meat and plants. And how can you help? National Wildlife Federation. Okay, so you've got 3 more bears. A sloth bear. That's interesting. Okay, that's the name of it. They're very slow and act quick. No, wait a sec. They're not lazy and slow like a sloth. They're quick and agile. They're from Southern Asia. Okay, check out some selfies. Oh, look at that thing. That's moving quick. Kind of looks like a sloth in a way. So that may be the reason why they call them sloth.
We stayed in here for like 30 minutes.
It's nice and cool in here too. They got air conditioner in here.
Yeah, and we're doing...
Okay, cool or gross? Sloth bears have unique distinction among bear species. They're only species to carry their young on their backs. Wow, look at that. The shaggy fur helps them hold. Okay, weight. It looks small, so smaller. What do you think? Guess.
It has to be over 100.
Oh yeah. Under 500, over 100?
I think over like a billion. I think 600.
They're actually smaller, 150 to 320 pounds. Okay, where do they live? Oh, this is India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal.
What's
Okay.
for dinner?
They're omnivorous. They made plants and animals. They prefer termites and ants. They suck up insects from their nest with their lungs. Ooh, that's weird. Okay, and the last thing is how can you help? Oh, there's less than 20,000 sloth bears left in the world. So they are getting extinct. Okay, you got 2 more. The Andean bear, that's what we're here today for. That's the specific name. They're from South America. Cloud forest and rainforest. Okay, check out the selfies. Look at some of the other. Oh, wow. It looks just like the one that we're looking at out here. A little baby one with a tracker. Okay, now next is cooler gross. Let's see what it says. Andean bears help their forest habitat by spreading seeds for new plants to grow in their poop. So they carry seeds around in their poop and then they'll grow somewhere else. Oh, neat. Okay, wait. You see it out there. So how much you think it weighs? This is the display of all about bears in the bear enclosure at the Nashville Zoo. Okay. Oh, close. 220 to 380 average. Okay, so where in the world do they live? Oh, wow, look, there's not that many. It's only Andes mountain range. That's why they call them Andean bear. So the cloud forest, rainforest, and high grasslands.
They have to live right here because...
Well, they keep this one here so we can see it. What's for dinner? That's going to be plants and rodents or insects, livestock or rare occasions. All right, and how can we help? Threatened from habitat loss. The Nashville Zoo is a proud supporter of the Andean Bear Conservation Alliance and also the Wild Works. Okay? How many more? One more. You've got one more and you've gone through all of these. That acidic black bear. Whoop, wait a sec. I think something went wrong. Okay, it had... Okay, here we go. The acidic black bear, USA something or another, found throughout some kind called the moon bears because of their crescent-shaped white fur. Largely nocturnal. That means they spend their time at night and they sleep during the day. All right, here. Wow. Okay, next one is cooler grows. Make nests in trees for sleeping in the summer months. Twigs to make comfortable beds. Okay, guess weight. What do you think?
Like 560.
220 to 440 average.
I was close.
You were very close. Okay, they're from Asia. So the forests of Asia.
What do they have for dinner?
Omnivorous. That means plants and animals. They prefer nuts and fruits as well as insects. Their diet depends heavily on the season and what's available. That makes sense. Let's see. They can eat over 160 different types of fruits.
How can you help them?
Oh my goodness. It's estimated there are 50,000 or less bears in the wild. They're hunted for medicine. So, and then there's some information on conservation. And that is all of the bears in this display. There's a good 20 minutes of information to learn.